First and foremost, I want to tell you one thing, that I'm very happy. After I got elected, I came here and saw this place. We had conducted an inspection. Any farmers amak sanglole. Not only the breach of the bund, but also the doors, the manus doors which were getting washed out or being removed sometimes. So we did follow it up, and we managed to finally get this resolution, and today we are doing the inauguration for the commencement of the work. But one thing I want to mention to you, that if agriculture has to be saved, we have to protect the bunds, we have to protect the manus, and if we need to do that, we need to work with a little more expedition. I first, our director Sandeep Faldesai, who's here, Director of Agriculture, I have known him before he's become a director, and I've known him to be a good officer. And even when he was deputy director and he had to take charge, he had told me, sir, whatever your work, we will be there to do for you. Took over and also gave me the same reassurance again. And he even told me there was one particular file which had disappeared. He got it reconstructed, and we got the work tendered and the work has begun. That's the Attafondem Bunds, if you know that. And this, what I want to say, the department is very good. The department is genuinely concerned about agriculture. But there is bureaucratic hurdles which comes at the secretariat level, which keeps the files going in loops. And that is what delays the work. Now this proposal which was there was long back. And after years it has fructified. That was after persistent follow-up, persistent demand, my personal connections with somebody or the other. That should not happen. According to me, if these breaches in the bunds take place, saline water enters. In this case, especially, we have the Mapsa river, which is called saline water. If that enters, the farmers were even complaining that saline water is entering. Our wells also are getting spoiled, and therefore the entire place gets finished, and then you have weeds and you have unwanted plants growing, and the fields are getting destroyed. If there's a genuine concern, the department follows it up. But once it passes above that, I think it's very difficult for the purpose of pushing the files, and this for them is very difficult.
आयज आमी एकदम खोशी जाल्या की आमचे मदें कालस येवन ताणें आमचो हो बान इनोग्रेशन केलो. परत कालसाक हांवें जायतो आसा तसोच आमचो कांबळ मॅनेजर जावं आमचो PA ऑफ कालूस ट्रान्सफरान स्वतान हांवें ताका पळय काम हांवें करून जाय. परत आमचो लॉंग स्टँडींग आमचो काम आसलें, ताका लागून हांव आतां आयज सर कालुसाक हांव चड चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी मागता आमचे सगळे शेतकारी जे आसात तांणी सगळे फुडें येवन काम करचें. त्याच भशेन आमचे हे तरणाटे यूथ भुरगे आसात तांकां हांव उलोवप मागता, न्हय फकत ही भोंवन कामां करची, पूण ज्या शेताचें कामां आसात ताणें घेवचें. ही जी माणूस आसा ती आमकां इतले देंवन जालो, आमकां जायते आमकां ट्रबल दिलो ना आमचे लागीं फंड्स नाहलो, पूण जायत्या जाणांनी आमकां थोडे पयशे दिले आनी आमी ते जायती खावटी बांदून काडली. आनी आयज आमचें जें काम आमी चिंतलेलें, आमचें पेंडींग जें आसलें तें आमकां आयज खातीर पावलें. सर कालुसाक हांव परतून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तेच भशेन आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक आनी तेच भशेन आमच्या कामाक